Hi guys, so today in this short tutorial we will be discussing about how to highlight missing values between two columns. So suppose we have two data sets. In column A we have ID of the products in the inventory. This is the ID of all the products that we have in the inventory. Column C is the ID of product that was sold in the month of April. Column D is the sold date of these products. So we want to highlight the column A whichever product which were not sold in the month of April. So let's select the column which we want to highlight. Go to conditional formatting, click on custom formula is equal to countif. Now first we have to provide the range from where column A will be checked. So that will be from C2 to C8, and after comma we will give A2. That will be the value which we are going to highlight. Now as you can see, the rows which matches in column A and C, that is the product which were sold in the month of April, are getting highlighted. So we want the opposite of that. So that's why we'll equal to 0 and click done. Now we can see all the products which were not sold in the month of April are getting highlighted, thus meeting our requirement. Thanks for watching.